Hey guys, Brad and Aaron here from 5 to Go. We are inside because it is super cold outside. We are at Transwest Truck Trailer and RV again. Bob pulled this one into the shop so we weren't freezing for this intro.
Or in the dark.
Or in the dark, yeah. So thank you to Bob.
Yay!
We are here to check out a Class A that is actually a bunkhouse model, but it is a really nice layout.
So nice.
This is a fantastic coach. Again, it's a Winnebago Forza 38W. It is comfortably above our price range,
but not
it's brand
completely
new.
out of like it's not like it's $800,000.
No,
some of the
no.
rigs here.
No, we'll put the price down here.
Yeah.
And it is a very, very, very nice rig. It's brand new. They just got them here, and we're gonna go ahead and go in and take a look. But first, you want to step that way a little bit? This is a really good looking coach.
Yes.
Like these new Winnebagos, the paint styles and the colors and all that, just
yes.
bravo. They're just gorgeous. So let's go ahead and head in. There's a Winnebago Forza 38W.
Check out this super slide. Did you show them? It's
Oh
like
yeah,
the whole coach.
it's huge. Yep.
Alrighty.
All right, so first things first, this is the first one that we've done where we come in through the passenger side. Yeah, you're not in the light. Let's keep going.
There we go.
All right, so in the light. So first we're going to turn back around. It does have a loft bed that drops down. Aaron's going to hold the camera and I'm going to pop that thing down really quick. It's very fast. I'm not even going to speed it up.
Here it goes.
It comes down really, really fast. And then turn the lights on.
There we go.
Alrighty, so that is nice. So it's got a good amount of space up in here. It's got some storage compartments, some little netting back there, and another storage compartment over here that actually has a router in there.
Yep.
And so this has some more storage. So like we were looking at that Super C before this one, the Super C didn't really have much space. At least here, the girls could keep, books and
Stuffed animals,
play pads and stuffed animals and all that.
But nice size and and this could just be for Tara. They wouldn't have to share.
Because this is a bunkhouse model.
It's a bunkhouse model.
All right, so another thing that's weird, the kitchen is not on that side.
No, it's not.
Yeah, so many Class A's, you walk in and the kitchen is on that side. So let's go ahead and do this real quick and then we'll flip around and show the kitchen.
Alrighty.
So pretty standard dinette.
Yep.
The table does drop down and these are really easy to open. Oh, you get your hand in the right spot. So nice big storage compartments underneath both of those seats.
And with everything being connected, like in our travel trailer, this cushion slid out every time you sat on it.
Bad.
We tried so many things to keep them in place, but because this is all one piece that you just lift up, when we sit down in it, it's not going to slip out from underneath us, which is nice. And there's enough room to be comfortable as an adult sitting at the dinette.
Yeah, and Bob was also saying that Winnebago does these. These are actually like spring cushioned with bars on the bottom. So how comfortable is that?
They are very comfortable.
Yeah, it's not just a block of foam on a piece of wood.
It's very, very nice.
So we've got storage. These compartments go all the way back that way.
And while you're here too, look at these valances. If you have to have a valance, it doesn't have some crazy design on it.
Oh, it doesn't. It doesn't have Grandma's couch pattern on it. No,
and it's like vinyl. So like if the kids get something like their hands on it,
or crayons,
you can just wipe it off with a Clorox wipe, or with a wet
or a magic eraser or something.
Right. So that's very nice, and it does have the dual
the privacy shade and the sunshade.
So it has.
Yep.
Well, they might be
the Tuesday. Let's not mess with that.
They might be electric.
Actually, I think they are. MCD ones are electric.
Yes.
Yep.
So.
All right. So theater seating here, because the TV is in prime viewing position.
Yes.
And you could technically use it as a couch. We, of course, would use this with the arm down. It has little USB plugs back there, which is nice. You can keep your phone topped off.
Right.
So it's got cup holders here. And then it's got the little tables. It's basically just a little peg system like this. And
oh, you got it?
Yep, it's hard to do with a camera in your hand.
But
both of these recline, so it's got one of those things there, one of those things there. Go ahead and pop the recliner out. It's a proper real.
Yep.
Yeah, nice.
Oh, this is nice. nice.
Nice. Yeah.
And the TV's right there, and the TV does pop out if you want to move it around a little bit.
Yeah, it is on a swivel.
Yep.
And there's also an electric fireplace and a sound bar, all right there in perfect viewing position.
Oh.
Whoop. Got it.
There it is.
Nice.
Oh, it has lights.
That's
fun.
That's a colorful fireplace. And
cool.
up here, some storage. That one's just kind of a flat little thing.
Yeah.
That one's like an AV box.
Show them what's really cool though.
Let's go back over here to the kitchen. This is a nice kitchen. It doesn't look super big, but it actually is very deep and it is very comfortable. No oven, thumbs up, tons of thumbs up. Convection oven or convection microwave, sorry. Nice big cabinets up here.
There's like felt on the bottom here, so your stuff isn't gonna on the top here too, so you can put your glasses and they're not gonna like chink all over the place. And
they're also the shelves are adjustable. You can move them up and down. And then a whole mess of drawers down here.
Yep. And then,
these are not soft close.
Nope.
Nope. Interesting.
And then
nice.
Definitely some storage space there. You could fit the Instant Pot under there. Or
you could fit like 3 of them in there.
This is propane, 3-burner. You said the convection oven. Let's look how deep this one is. No, the Instant Pot wouldn't fit in there.
No, not at all.
And then you have heat coming out here instead of on the floor, so none
of the registers are on the floor, so they don't collect dirt, which is nice.
Nice residential fridge. Again, it's not enormous, but it definitely holds more than a normal RV fridge. And then ice maker again. Yep. And lots of space. So
it's kind of weird. Like, I think Winnebago might be one of the only companies that actually puts the fridge behind the driver's seat. It's an interesting layout.
People are starting to do it now too.
Yeah, I like it. I like coming in and you have a nice big beautiful open kitchen.
Right.
I do kind of wish there was more window over there.
Yeah.
Because there is that one little window there and it looks like it cranks open. Why? I would like another one there. It wouldn't be too bad. And the windows on the other side are a little small as well.
Yes.
So,
trade off for other things.
All right, so living space. We've got a little bunk room here.
Yep.
And this is one of those ones where the bunk right now, the top bunk is flipped up, so it's a closet. And there's that bar that Aaron just put up.
Oh, let's see if I can do this. It's so cold.
Is there one on? No, just the one on that side. Do I need
This is a brand new rig, so everything's a little from the factory.
There you go.
There it is.
All right. So that bunk lowers down. There's a window up here. There's a window down here. No TVs.
No.
Yeah, I think
that's okay.
Yeah, a lot of the ones that are the convertible closets don't have TVs. Some of them have them recessed in the wall.
That's okay.
This one, no TVs. They have play pads anyway.
But definitely big enough for a 3-year-old and a 5-year-old.
Oh my gosh, this is huge.
This would not fit Tara. Tara's almost 11. She would be the length of this, and she wouldn't even be able to roll over. So
you know what?
What?
Take the camera.
What? Are you gonna get down in there?
Yeah, I'm gonna get in the bottom one. I think this is 6 feet long.
Okay, fine. It's 6 feet long.
I am 6 feet tall. So this is 6 feet long. Yeah.
Okay,
Tara can easily fit in here.
Yes, it's just not a lot of space to roll around. What'd you find?
Oh, there's 2 little USB ports down there.
Perfect. That's all they need.
Yeah.
It's a rainy day. They just need.
Yeah, there's one for the top as well.
Wonderful.
Nice. I'm gonna do this part.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Hi guys. Brian doing a tour.
What?
All right. So right across from the bunks, we have bathroom the first. So this is a good sized bathroom. So there's a shower on the right. You got to talk through it. If you're the camera person, you got to talk.
Oh, okay. So it's actually pretty deep in there. It kind of goes back at an angle. I don't know if you can really see that. And there's a little seat.
I would get in there, but there's some antifreeze on the floor. I don't want to track that around.
This looks like a really good kid shower.
Yeah, if we got a 2 full bath model, it would be one would be the kids and guests, and then the other would be ours.
Right.
So this would be the kids one.
So nice sink. And there's space to, put toothbrushes over here, a place to put washcloths. They even remembered to put a place to put toilet paper.
Yeah, this opens. The little medicine cabinet up here.
Plenty big medicine cabinet.
Yeah. And then a foot flush toilet with a sprayer.
Yep. There's a sprayer.
Yep.
But big window in here. Not a big window in the kitchen, but you get a nice big window in the bathroom.
Yeah, that's probably the biggest window aside from up in the cab.
Yep.
All right. Door's a little tight. Okay, so coming in here, we've got
all of these real quick. It's all like touch screen.
Yeah, everything here is touch screen to control everything in the rig. So this has all of the tank capacities, water pump, lights, generator, all that stuff is in here.
Very nice.
Power, tells you how your batteries are doing, inverter, charger, all that stuff.
It's chilly in here.
And air conditioning. Can control lights in here. So lots of cool stuff on there. We've got a solid door here. Just a little gap up here.
That's pretty nice.
Yeah, not too bad. That is a very, very large door.
Yes.
So we've got the bedroom here. This is a queen mattress. We're assuming that you can option this with a king because there's actually like gaps on either side of this. And it looks like you could easily fit a king in here. It does have wireless phone charging here. Let's see if it works. It's not working.
Oh, there it goes.
It does work. Very cool. So there's one of those on either side.
That's really awesome.
And then there's outlets. I'm assuming there's USB plugs behind those little round things.
Right.
In terms of CPAP,
it'd have to go above.
This is a slide, so I would almost have to put like a shelf out here.
Or
so
above.
it didn't get hit by the slide, or not sure how big these cabinets are. Yeah, it would fit up there, and then it could pop a hole down through. And then there's controls here for all the lighting and stuff in this area. God, these cabinets, they feel so good.
Yep.
These handles are nice. They're not corners. They're not jagged. Plenty of room for your fingers. Good job, Winnebago. This is nice. So over here, we have an absolutely gargantuan storage area that goes all the way through. It is just huge. So that's the ladder for the loft up there, and then the little like peg tables were up in there too. Everything closes really well. It's nice. So when this comes in, I'm guessing it kind of encroaches on this, but you have the bathroom up there, so when this is closed, not a big deal. Big mirror here. I know Aaron's a fan of full mirror, so you can check yourself out in the camera. So, as if that wasn't enough, there's an entire other bathroom back. Oh, wait a minute. There's a TV in the ceiling. How did he open that? Came this way, didn't it?
There it goes.
Yeah, so they
so
put
now
the
you're
TV
not
up in
wasting
the ceiling.
space.
Yeah, so you're not eating up space over here. I honestly don't know how much we would use this. But if the kids were back here playing around while we were cooking or entertaining or whatever, good option. So it's a good use of space because really, I mean, your head is never going to be here because the foot of the bed is here.
Right.
So I like that. So back here, another full bath. It's a little snug in here. Good size shower over here.
Absolutely.
It is very cold in here. Jeez. So AC unit is in here, not in the bedroom, which is interesting. I don't think I've seen that before.
Yeah,
but
okay.
You
defrost everything
open.
better. Yeah.
You leave the door open and you're fine. So big shower in here with the skylight up here. Okay, I'm not going to get in because there's antifreeze on the floor again. There's a light directly above. I kind of like that.
That's nice.
Yeah. And then behind the door over here is a toilet with another big window.
Big windows for when you need to go.
So this bathroom is large enough for both of us to be in here with the door closed.
Yep.
And so over here we've got just some nice drawers. So we got 4 drawers over here, a little cover on the sink. I'm not sure why there's a cover on a bathroom sink. I guess for when you're doing your laundry. Yeah, that makes sense. Right, because this is the dryer. You can just pull everything out, fold it and do whatever.
Yep.
So I like this bread box thing. It's a good use of space because the shower is here kind of eating into this corner. And then this cabinet here
deep storage
goes all the way back. It's huge.
It's for stuff you don't need very often.
Yeah. Oh, this opens too. I didn't notice that.
Oh, that's big.
Yeah, it's kind of shallow, but it's really big.
Yep. And then
the
over...
washer is here. So that wasn't a combo unit. That was just the dryer. Washer's over here. And then another cabinet.
Keep all your
up
laundry
there.
stuff up there. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is
nice rig.
This is a really big bathroom.
Yeah.
I would love to see this rig. Let's go in front and talk.
Take you through the whole rig. You can see all of it as Brian goes forward.
Yeah, it's huge. Nice. I really. We're gonna have to get an opposing slide model.
We have to
because
we're just used to it.
Because I mean, it's why would you not? Look at it, all this space. I mean, floor all the way to the back.
Yep.
This is a really nice layout.
Let me do a
I kind of
look
want
at
to
you
see
from there.
If I would change anything, we know we don't really need the bunks. So I kind of want to see like the sister model to this where there's no bunks, and even better would just be bath and a half. Because we've talked about before, we see a lot of rigs that have 2 full baths, but we really don't need 2 full baths because we don't have teenagers. There's never going to be a fight over the shower. And it's really nice because with the littles, when they have to go to the bathroom, they have to go to the bathroom like right now. So having that extra half bath is nice over just the single full bath, which is what we had on our travel trailer. So this is a very, very nice rig. The price is, like we said, kind of above our budget. This one is sitting right at $300,000 as optioned. But if this has been out for a few years, this is totally a floor plan we could think about. Bunks, I don't know. I think we could do without them, but those are really big. I fit in there no problem.
Yeah.
I wouldn't want to sleep in there.
Well, but this is a nice rig though. Like the rest of the layout isn't stupid. Like because of the bunks. Yeah. Like it's a nice flowing thing that I wouldn't mind the bunks and having that because the layout is nice for the rest of it. Yeah,
we kind of abandoned looking at bunk models because the presence of the bunks did some really weird things to the rest of the floor plan. So
but this is good.
This is a very smart, very well laid out, very beautiful RV. Like look at these colors. It is not dark in here.
No.
It is really, really nice.
Yeah, and it's like, I don't know if you can tell it, but it's like a gray kind of like driftwoody color, which is very, very nice.
Yeah.
But yeah, great. Yep. I like it. Yep. Good job, Winnebago.
Yeah.
Thanks again to Bob for bringing us out here and staying late so we could record tonight. We really appreciate it.
Yep.
And if you are in the area, you should check them out too.
Transwest Truck Trailer RV. Come talk to Bob.
Absolutely.
See you guys in the next video.
Bye.